Wheel of Fortune for PowerPoint allows you to use your own puzzles to play realistic Wheel of Fortune games. This is Tim from Tim's Slideshow Games, and I'm going to walk you through this template so you can get your game up and running. First things first, make sure you downloaded the right version, Windows or Mac. If you're using PowerPoint for Mac, you can still follow along. There are some minor differences I'll discuss as it comes. After downloading, you'll probably see this warning that some active content has been disabled. You'll want to enable content, as it allows all the code in the presentation to function and make this game work. The code is open source, so you can audit it via the Developer tab to make sure everything's safe. Alright, now let's start the slideshow. Before you begin your game, you'll need to set up puzzles. Here, you'll see that there are 12 puzzle slots. To create a puzzle, click on one of these numbers, and then use the editor to just type in your puzzle. If you're using PowerPoint for Mac, you use input boxes here to achieve the same effect. So, it's been chilly, and made me be in the mood for some French onion soup. So, I'm going to make that my puzzle. So let me finish typing that up here. And the category is food and drink. Looks like my words ended up a little too far to the left. Well, that's not a problem, because we have these arrows here that can shift our words slightly to the right. So then we have center alignment. Okay, I'm going to create another puzzle, so be right back. Okay, I added another puzzle for this demonstration. One more thing you can do here is access the settings panel. Here, you can toggle all sorts of things, but the coolest part is that you can get a bird's eye view of all your puzzles to make sure everything looks good. When that's the case, you can go and invite your contestants in and head on to the puzzle board. Let's name our contestants. We have Tracy, Ken, and Frank. Now you can also toggle the background scenery to your own liking. Want a stadium vibe? Here you go. Valentine's Day? You got it. Something that's black? Why not? Well, we'll just keep it at the default for now. Now let's load in one of the puzzles. I click on Load Puzzle. I type in the puzzle number I used. And presto, the puzzle is all set to be played. Tracy is first, and she's going to spin the wheel. Now, you click the wheel to spin, and you click it again to stop. Tracy lands on $500, and she's going to guess the letter S. We're clicking the S here on the letter selector. There is one S in the puzzle, so I'm going to type in that $500 Tracy earned. Now Tracy is going to buy a vowel. Remember, vowels cost $250 in the game show, so I'm going to deduct that right here with this buy a vowel button. She's going to buy the vowel E, so I click the E, and we find out there's one E in the puzzle. Tracy's going to spin now. And she lands on bankrupt, so that's unfortunate. Well, you hit the X right here, and it'll zero out her totals. Okay, now it's Ken's turn. He's going to spin. He lands on $550. Well, he's going to guess the letter N. So let's call in the N here. We found out there's 3 N's in the puzzle. Pretty impressive, Ken. Okay, so Ken earns $550 times 3. Isn't that kind of hard to think of in your head and type it out? Well, that's why if you click the $ of a contestant's total, you access Quick Add, so it can multiply 3 times 550. Whoops. And it does the math for you. Pretty impressive, huh? I recommend using this to speed up your score adding. Okay, he's not going to buy a vowel, so I hit this button. He's going to buy the vowel O. There are 3 O's. Nice job. Okay, he's going to spin. Bankrupt. Oh my no. Okay, hit that X right there. Ken zeroed out. Frank, you're up. $2,500. Man, he's going to be the winner here, is he? Okay, he's going to guess the letter F. There's one F. Alright, add that $2,500. Okay. He's now going to buy another vowel. He'll buy the I. This one I. Of course. He'll keep going. $700. And now he's going to guess the letter P. 1P. To add that $700. Okay, well, Frank's feeling pretty confident now he can solve this puzzle. And he proudly exclaims, French onion soup. And boy, was he right. So, yeah! See, you can click the stage lights here, and you can have the special animation effect happen. Just pause that. Okay, so Frank won. So we're going to transfer his round score over to his total, so he gets this money kept for good by clicking this button. Okay, now we can load the second puzzle by clicking on Load Puzzle again, or we can click straight in the puzzle board and load puzzle number 2. We can also switch the round used. So we can switch to the mystery round wheel, where we have mystery wedges, and if you flip one over, you have a chance at getting a bankrupt or $10,000. 50-50 chance. There's also the express round, used in an actual game show, the 4th round that the host used for the final spin, and last but not least, we have the bonus round, which the winner of the main game gets to participate in. The way the bonus round works is that we first reveal the R, S, T, L, N, and E's in the puzzle. Then click that. And now, the winner, in this case it's Frank, has to guess 3 consonants and a vowel. Okay, so his 3 consonants, he thinks, is going to do K, he's going to do am, he's going to do F, his vowel is going to be A. Alright, so we're now going to click this, and it's going to reveal everything he can get. Wow, pretty good, Frank. Alright, so we reveal that, and now he has 10 seconds to solve the puzzle. So you click that, start the timer, and let's say he solves it. So we can click this again, reset the timer, and there we go. Let's assume he just said, make it official, and he wins. Alright, so that's the end of the show. So, you know, you can clear the board if you want. And we can go end the game, call it a day. Well, I hope that helps you make the most out of your next Wheel of Fortune game. Any questions or feedbacks? Feel free to leave comments. Thank you so much for watching.